I just wanted to give a little brief tutorial on Seed Spec. Thank you for your time and your willingness to review this for us. This is just a brief tutorial to give you quick instructions. It is not all encompassing, so please call if you have any questions. First thing we're going to do is log in. As a new user, you're going to have to register to set up a username and password. But it's easy and straightforward. And then here's what our landing page looks like. So the first thing you do when you get to here is you go to your projects, help manage your projects. So you're either going to go to an existing project or start a new one. So in this case, we're going to start a new project. Test. So now we have a project that we can get a seed recommendation for, a seed blend recommendation for. You go to your settings, you can select which base layer that you want to use for this. Just make this as our selection. Click off of it. This is set up to work kind of like TurboTax. You've got to go through these steps individually to move on to the next. So you have to finish step 1 before you can move to step 2, then step 3, and so on. Under each one of these steps over here, there is a brief description to help you along the way. So for this example, we'll just navigate into an area here. This can be our area of interest. So quickly, we draw our area of interest of the project that we want to seed, develop a seed blend for. Pretty intuitive. I'll let you walk through those tools to the left. You can import a shapefile if you have one. Once you get your area digitized, if you click within it, you can edit it. I will let you use those digitizing tools to do that. Always remember, if you need to edit or change your field boundaries of your area of interest, you have to be in step 1 to accomplish that. This is the only place where you can edit your geometry. Also, there's only one area of interest per project. So, and only one seed blend recommendation per project. If you need to create another one, you need to either delete your area of interest within a project, or create a new project or change to a different project. So now that we've got our geometry, our area of interest complete, we move on to our soils data. It brought in our soils data. You can see here all of our information's there. I'll let you look through this on your own. If you have any questions, call. Here's where a user can develop their custom site-specific seed blend. You have the product, the species, along with the variety that's adaptable to the site, the recommended blend percentage, and here's where the user enters those percentages. These can fall within the recommended levels, or it can be totally user defined. See down here, our percentage is above 105, above 100%. This total percentage at the end can equal 100. It could equal less than 100 or greater than 100. It's up to the user to determine the percentage of each species within that blend, and it can be greater than 100. see here, we've got the seating rate, which is an NRCS published seating rate. And this application will do the math. So you can see the PLS seating rate pounds per acre, and then the total PLS within that blend for each species. And then we can create a report. You can request a quote, an email will go directly to us, or the user can just print, open and print a PDF report. All this information is pulled from things that we've done before, except for our phone number. For that, this is just to make sure that whoever sent this report to is able to get in contact with you to help get a quote and maybe change the project title. But here is just a brief representation of what that report looks like. Here again, if you have any questions, please call. You can print this, email this, whatever needs to be done. So again, here's the tool. Thank you for your time. Please go through this and let us know any recommendations you have.